Mechanical engineering is the study and design of objects and systems in motion, and as such touches virtually every aspect of modern life, including the human body, a highly complex machine. Combining principles of engineering, physics and materials science, mechanical engineers design and implement practical solutions for products and processes, making the best use of new materials and technology. Mechanical engineers must be able to determine the forces and thermal environment that a product, its parts or subsystems will encounter, design them for functionality, aesthetics and durability, and determine the best manufacturing approach that will ensure operation without failure. The specialisations of mechanical engineering are very broad and diverse. At QUT they include mechanical, mechatronics and medical. As a mechanical engineer, you can expect to be involved in the design, manufacturing and maintenance of mechanical systems. These systems can range from vehicles, industrial machinery to robotics. Mechatronic engineers bring together the disciplines of mechanical, electrical and computer systems engineering and apply them in new and novel ways. Medical engineers apply engineering and scientific methods to find solutions to problems in medicine and the life sciences to improve the quality of human health and life. At QUT, we are driven to find the best technological solutions to global challenges, and our mechanical engineering research outputs are wide-ranging. From the Drifter, a floating device that delivers real-time data to defend against flash flooding and water pollution, to developing a prototype for a motorised ventilator that will be easy to produce and distribute. Throughout your mechanical engineering specialisation degree, you will have unique opportunities to solidify your theoretical knowledge with hands-on experience and projects, with access to world-leading teachers and researchers, industry professionals and state-of-the-art laboratories, field stations and the engineering precinct. For example, our medical engineering students have worked with patients in the Rehabilitation Engineering Centre at the Royal Brisbane Women's Hospital. Our mechatronics students have represented Australia at the Global Amazon Robotics Challenge, and we have a dedicated motorsports engineering lab for our QUT motorsports team to develop cutting-edge electric vehicles to compete in the International Formula SAE competition. This student-run motorsports project really challenges students by requiring them to design, manufacture and compete with a small open-wheeled vehicle against universities from around the world. Mechanical, mechatronic and medical engineers play key roles in a wide range of industries, including the automotive, aerospace, electronics, biotechnology and energy industries. QUT will equip you with professional skills that can be applied to launch careers in many other fields such as medicine, law, consulting, management, banking and finance. Those type of skills include creative thinking skills to design an exciting product or system, analytical tools to achieve their design goals, and the teamwork skills needed to design, market and produce a system. With a QUT mechanical engineering specialisation, you can make a difference in the world by using the latest technologies to help solve today's grand challenges.